Yeah, it is, yeah.
This man's stupid fucking yellow suitcase in my shot all the time.
I know, I know. Phyllis?
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
After the Bachsee Lake. That's how she said it on the cable car.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Bachsee Lake.
No, not ski, just sea.
I see.
Bachsee.
Right, I can't even say it. That is cool. Am I going red? Yeah.
Yeah. Don't fall back in now.
No?
No. Oh, I was just saying don't fall back in.
Alright, yeah.
Just do a little pano shot of the mountains over there. I took my eye off the footings for a second.
Don't push me.
I know I'm holding on to you because I need It's so expensive in Switzerland, only Lee could have a drink. Only joking, I'd frappe.